Hey you, welcome back to another day of Planmas, and today we have my kit collection as of October 7th? October 7th. This is when my kit collection is happening. So yeah, I have 3 jumbo sticker albums from Happy Scrapper. You can search jumbo sticker albums and lots of people have them. So these are just ones that I was able to get my hands on, and I love them because it's like SBC bows, J. Crew plans, SBC Disney, and Once More Love Bow. So what is basically it is that this is my planning one. These are all the kits that are definitely going to be used throughout the year. This is my current PP weeks. These are basically the overflow of my random haulings. These 2 used to be hauling. Now these are ones that I would like to use but cannot get them into my EC at the moment, so they are going into my PB weeks as I see it, but they're still kind of hoarded, sorry. And this is my hoarding, which is usually some more specific themes that I don't know dates of yet. Or I just love them. So let's go through my current planning ones. So this is a bit of a sneak peek. 2 spreads to come on my channel for 2020 mostly, and also what you've already seen. Okay, let's have a look. I'm getting a message. So I get these organization stickers for kits, and they're dated from SPC, and she brings them out in chunks, so you don't get the whole year in one go. This section ends in March, which is okay. You know, I've guessed some of where it's gonna go. But I did decide, I was already kind of super into the middle here, but I decided to start January off the 2020 plan at the front. But they do come up pretty easily. Maybe they leave some residue or some bits behind, but then you can put another sticker over the top. So it's easy peasy. Anyway, let's get straight to where we are at the moment, and then we'll circle back. So you can see I've used all these up. So at the moment, we got my birthday week on the front here. I'm sorry for the glare. They're in plastic anyway, but so I'll do this like that. Hopefully that's alright with you guys. But this is October 14th, and I'm using Halloween. That's for my birthday. It's like a Halloween party, so I'm like, perfect for my birthday. And then I'm going to use the oil slick with that. So sometimes I do put foils in here, otherwise I just do it the week of. Then I've got Haunt Me Boo from Caress Press, because I love Darcy the artist. I love her so much. And then we've got for Halloween week. You would have seen all of these videos already. So there's cat hair everywhere. I got Haunted Magic, my Haunted Mansion set from SBC. And then after the week after Halloween, I'm still going. I'm using this Wicked kit, another Darcy kit from Caress Press. I just really wanted to use it. Then we're back into the end of autumn here. It might even be snowing by this time, who knows? But we have Pumpkin Patch, another one of my exclusives from SPC. Then I picked up the Brave Disney Pixar inspired one for the last week of autumn because I just love these deep colors and everything's like orange and dead. So perfect for about to be holiday time. So my first holiday kit is in here. It's Deck the Halls. Super pretty, it's for decorating, and that's what I would like to decorate for Christmas. So here you go. I don't have these marked, but I do have little labels of what I want to use. So I got my Christmas Disney kit here. And then I want to use, I don't think I'm going to use Evergreen. I think I am going to use Winter Moon from Darcy again. I got Grinchmas, and I've got my Nordic One Snuggle Season for Christmas week. And I don't have anything planned for New Year's yet, so this is empty. And so we go to the next planner. I think I will be buying 2 New Year's Eve kits because that week is in both planners. So I have 2 to fill out. So she's going nuts. Okay. Then 1st January, I'm going to use this Holly kit. It's still Christmassy, but this snow, I just love it. And we can extend to Christmas a little. Then we're going full into winter and using the Let It Go Frozen inspired kit. I just love this. I love Frozen. January, I had an idea if I'm using this one. Yes, this just came out this week, so I can tell you it's the City Chill art based on my like Helsinki based snowy art, so I'm putting that one there. Then going to Valentine's Day kind of stuff, I'm going to first use Lavender Dreams because it's beautiful and girly. And then I have a couple ideas for Valentine's Day, I don't really know. Then I'm going to use Bad Romance from SPC. Then I think we're going to do another we're going to spread Valentine's Day out the entire February. So I have 3 Valentine's Days kits I could buy. Then March 2nd, how about it'll still be snowing here. So I'm going to put in an evergreen here. And then this just came out, Pet Party, for Heidi's birthday. I'm going to use her 5th birthday this week. Then maybe some leftover winter kits. We'll see what comes out, which I think I'm going to do up until the end of March. And then April will start the hopeful spring. I left the 2nd week of April this year and it was still kind of snowy. It was just about melting, so I think this will be a good time to really start the spring. And I'm going to start it off with Flower Dream, the Tangled kit from SPC, because I love Tangled too. And I think that's everything I have planned so far. I do have a list you will see. I don't know if it's up yet, or I think it's coming later in Planmas. So get excited, but I'm setting up my 2020 planner. And in the notes pages there, I have a sort of a written plan of the kits I want to use. So it includes this stuff, but also some even further planning, just so it's sort of penciled in about if I have kits for certain events. But that is my main beautiful Erin Condren kit collection. Now let's get into what I would use in PP weeks, or if I'm desperate, it'll go into Erin Condren because I really want to use these kits. But I'm also wouldn't be bummed if I didn't, but I do want to get rid of them. So this one's a bit chunky. So first we have this work from home. I was going to use this in my Erin Condren, but I decided to switch it out. It was going to be like my end of summer, but I switched it out for my back to school art, and then I wanted to get into autumn, so this got switched out, but I still love that. Is it a mini? I don't know what it is. I've been using Coffee Shop in my PP weeks already, but I got obviously tons of leftovers, so that's in here. I got some stuff from 2018 in here, which is why it's kind of in here. It's older. I got the Andrea kit, more autumny stuff. I got the Yas Fall. I think this was the first kit Caress Press came back with in 2018. Love it. I've got, what is this one called? Violetta. I really love the art in this, but I just don't have a place for it at the moment. It's an everyday kit. So if I want an anytime kit, I'll come in here and have a look. I got Starry Eyed from Caress Press. Got her Cyber Monday Mystery, which was a beauty queen. Then I got some stuff. These are mini kits that I got from SPC Planner Party. And I thought they'd be perfect in my PP weeks because they're much smaller. So this pumpkin one from Simply Watercolor Co. and this gorgeous hustle one from Sadie's Stickers. Then I've got Museum Babe, which is in here for now, but if I go like to a big museum, like, and I have room for this kit, I will use this from Caress Press. Oh, why? Come back. Come back, little baby. Autofocus is so strange. There we go. It's the glare probably. Then I have, the Super Bowl kit, Heather Ann Plans. I think she's closed now. But this is my Japan Tokyo Harajuku art, which I still am hoping to use this. I love it so much. I just love it. Almost no one used this art set, which is a bit sad because I was really proud of it. But nonetheless, this is September Mystery 2018 from Scribble Prints Co. Still have this in here, but I love it. This is Elf. I'm going to use this over Christmas, so you may or may not have seen this already. But yeah, I drew this last year. Love Elf. Of course, this year I did Grinch. So there we go. We're doing all the Christmas movies. Then we have Voyager, the Moana one. It's in here for now because it's a mini kit, but I'm hoping to put it across in summer next year, because I would like to use these kits in my main planner. Maybe I'll move that out, but we'll see. We will see. Then we've got Sunshine, which Melissa drew this. I love this as well. This might also get bumped to Erin Condren for next summer. And then we've got my exclusive Greek mythology art from Elle Glam Planner. This might also get bumped up. I got some leftovers from back to school. The main Halloween kit you would have seen from my print impression, Hello Pumpkin. I've got also another holiday one to use, Season to Sparkle. And I got some just functionals from this year's September mystery, which I was not a fan of the art. So I just kept all the functionals to use because the colors are pretty. But that is everything in this jumbo folder. So here's my last one. I definitely want to use these in my Erin Condren, so I might put over some of those kits back into here. But yeah, so I have this Wanderlust one, which I thought would be perfect for traveling somewhere in Europe. So say like, I feel like I have Italy vibes from this, but I don't think I'm going to Italy anytime soon. But maybe Germany or Oslo, or I'm thinking Germany, Norway, Sweden, Denmark, that kind of area I'd love to go to soon. So I want to use that for one of those. I got the strawberry kit, which I do actually plan to use next year in summer, because there are like 1 or 2 weeks in the middle of summer where it's peak strawberry season. And I didn't realize this, but Finnish people go nuts for strawberries. They're just everywhere that week. So I want to use this for that week next year. It just didn't work out this year. I have a graduation kit for whenever I may actually graduate. Definitely next year sometime. Not next year, otherwise I might defer it to the year after, just depending on travel and whatnot. Because I have to go back to Adelaide, Australia for that, and I'm already going back for my friend's wedding, so I don't know if that will coincide. But we will see. I'm saving this one for that. I have my old London summer London kit, which I will use obviously for going to London, which I do want to. Next year for sure, but I'm keeping them here because I just don't know when. Then I have Planner Meetup. I'm considering if I can get a ticket to go to PlannerCon Europe next year. I don't think I'm going to go to any US planner stuff, so I might use this for PlannerCon Europe whenever that is, if it's happening and I get a ticket. I got the Magic 1.0, so this is Disney World, so I'm saving this for hopefully a Disney World trip, whereas I used the Disneyland one already because I went to Disneyland, because I'm totally stickler like that. I really just want it to match. I have Girls Eve, which I could use as another one of my 2 New Year's Eve sets, but it's also a birthday or celebrationary kit, so I kept that around. And then I have August mystery kit, which I think I will be using in probably April or May. Probably May, because I do think it's beautiful and I want to use it. Then I have a backup of SBC Party, because I just bought another one because I'm a freak. But yeah, so I have that, and I have my leftovers from the other spread. And then I have May Mystery, the beloved Carnival kit, which I think a lot of people loved. And I love it too, but I think there was like one time there was a fair kind of thing, and I was in Australia while it was happening in Oulu. So hopefully I get to use this next year, because I would like to use it for an actual fair. Otherwise I'll just use it in summer, because I do want to use that, and I've still got all like the mystery foil. And then I have the Always, yeah, that's the last one, the Always wedding kit, which I am saving for my friend Steph's wedding in August. It's gonna be so beautiful. I mean, I don't care about weddings. Like, I'm the friend that you come to bitch about weddings because you're sick of wedding crap, because I just don't think about weddings. But I have to use a beautiful wedding kit for my friend. So yeah, I'm saving that for that. But that is my entire kit collection. I think I've been pretty good. I mean, this is a pretty bad folder. But I think I've been otherwise pretty good. My spending has been so much better lately. I do try and buy kits only when I need them. Yeah, so that's what we're doing right now. That is my kid collection as of October. We're about to get all the rest of the Christmas stuff in, but you'll be seeing that in Plan with Bees during Planmas, so that's okay. But if you like this video, don't forget to big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!